Hanging out with a camera down my throat. They say my stomach's nearly fried from eating cigarettes for breakfast. But if I follow 7 easy steps, I might avoid my death, the pyramid of health. So come on down, bring your sacrificial goat, and don't forget to wear your feathers and your silly little necklace, and get real high with the shrimp up in the sky, and you'll no longer fear your death, the pyramid of health. Stood on a mountain and I turned to dust. Little green worm said it wasn't enough, so he turned me back into a bag of meat. Gave me a liquid from a nearby tree. He said, drink this sludge and you'll see what I mean. Pyramid of health is in everything. He turned me back into a bag of meat. The pyramid of health is in everything. Hanging around in a desert on a boat. Some guys yelling in my ear about eating cactuses for breakfast. And if I follow 7 easy steps, I'll see visions of my death, the pyramid of health. Stood on the mountain and I turned to dust. A little green worm said it wasn't enough, so he turned me back into a bag of meat. Gave me a liquid from a nearby tree. He said, drink this sludge and you'll see what I mean. Pyramid of health is in everything. So I looked up in the sky and I saw it clear. The world we live in isn't shaped like a sphere. It's the shape of a pyramid, or so I learned by the liquid I was given by the little green worm. Stood on the mountain and I turned to dust. The little green worm said it wasn't enough. Stood on the mountain and I turned to